बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 18 अगस्त 2024 के अखबार में। अकाउंट्स फाइनेंस अकाउंटेंट मेल रिक्वायर्ड, अकाउंटेंट एट हेड ऑफिस लोकेटेड DHA विथ रेलिवेंट एक्सपीरियंस, मिनिमम BCom/BBA डिग्री और रेलिवेंट और equivalent degree e-filing knowledge. Email your CV with scanned photograph into jobcollectors@gmail.com. jobcollectors@gmail.com. info@wingssecurity.com. info@wingssecurity.com. CFO, a dynamic CFO is needed, but our company to lead finance, accounts, audit and administration while implementing financial controls and strategies. Ideal candidates should be ACA/FCCA with excellent communication, leadership and IT ERP skills. Minimum 10 years of experience including articleship from Big Four is required. Responsibilities include overseeing finance, accounts, audit, administration, HR, IT and statutory compliances while reporting to the board. Send resume, picture and relevant documents to elevator-group.hr@gmail.com before 24th August 2024. Required female with knowledge of computer and Microsoft Word. Also one female accountant. Please send your CV to WhatsApp 0335 661 6615 0335 661 6615. Required accountant with 4 to 5 years of relevant experience. Email CV at hopekarachigmo@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 021 322 39930 021 322 39930. admin/management की जॉब है। सप्लाई चेन मैनेजर, वी सीक सप्लाई चेन मैनेजर with SCM background, leadership and IT skills, MS Office, ERP. The role requires managing purchase, inventory, stock and logistics as well as coordinating with vendors, warehouses and engineering teams. A graduate with at least 5 years of experience and strong multitasking abilities is preferred. Frequent field operations are part of the job for vendors, projects and warehouses. Send resume, picture and relevant documents to elevatorgroup.hr@gmail.com before 24th August 2024. HR manager. We are looking for a HR manager with a degree, MPA or HR certification. The role requires excellent communication, leadership and IT skills, MS Office, HRM software. The candidate should have at least 5 years of experience in a similar role within the industry. Responsibilities include managing HR and administration processes from on-board to off-board, performance, compensation, employee relations, compliance and administrative duties. Send resume, picture and relevant documents to elevatorgroup.hr@gmail.com before 24th August 2024. Computer IT administrator and experienced IT qualified person, expert in networking and hardware/software. Candidate in addition should be good in data entries, familiar with CCTV camera installation/PABX programming. info.jobcollectors@gmail.com. info@wingssecurity.com. info@wingssecurity.com. Computer operator to handle media, social media and other office administrative work. Male/female. Federal Secondary School, C for Cat, 85 Block 10 FB area near Aisha Manzil. Contact 10 AM to 12 PM. 36808742 36808742 and 36369977 36369977. CV WhatsApp 0313 202124903 13202124 इंजीनियर्स की जॉब है। एन इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी रिक्वायर्स इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर 2 years एक्सपीरियंस, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर 3 years एक्सपीरियंस। नंबर 3 इलेक्ट्रिकल कॉस्टिंग एंड BOQ एग्जीक्यूटिव। नंबर 4 structural engineer, design engineer, mechanical 4 years experience, able to calculate load of metal structures with wind load etc. 5 senior electric site supervisor. Number 6 DAE electric. Number 7 DAE mechanical. Number 8 corporate sales manager. Number 9 sales coordinator. WhatsApp CV 030377742447 0303774247 multiple reputable healthcare organization required. Number 1 admin manager. Number 2 digital marketing executive. Number 3 receptionist. Number 4 IT support. Number 5 RO engineers and 6 electrical engineers. For site meant design location Gulistane Johar. Applications must be graduates proficient in MS Office, PowerPoint, Excel skills. Forward resume with recent photo to jobshe2024@gmail.com. jobshe2024@hotmail.com. Oracle Apex developer. We are looking for a talented and experienced Oracle Apex developer to join our team. The ideal candidate will have 3 to 5 years of experience in developing applications using Oracle Application Express APEX. You will be responsible to coordinate with the ERP developers, follow up the designing, developing, implementation and maintaining robust and scalable Apex applications to meet the business requirements. Number 2 merchandiser looking for FMCG products. Responsible for follow up of orders from initial till shipment, pre-production, production, post-production status, communicating with buyer on daily basis for their existing order, follow up with buyer for approval and feedback, approval, managing and fulfill samples required and trim sample approval, arrange PP meeting with vendor and HOD/buyer, update inspection, follow up, TNA plan, follow with suppliers, review ship dates, booking should be checked and get approval from HOD/buyer. Experience at least 3 years experienced in the field and knowledge of INT apostrophe क्या लिखा हुआ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, इंटरनेशनल मार्केट. Interested candidate may send their updated resume at GC क्या लिखा हुआ है GE या GC समझ में नहीं आ रहा, GCS HR 2023 कस्टमर सर्विस क्या लिखा हुआ है ये कस्टमर सर्विस. Number 2 tele sales. Number 3 office assistant with good command in Word and Excel. WhatsApp CV 0323177755 0323177755. मेडिकल की जॉब्स हैं. रिक्वायर्ड फीमेल डॉक्टर फॉर मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट, क्रू मंदिर कराची. ईमेल cv@hopekarachi@gmail.com. मेंशन पोजीशन इन द सब्जेक्ट लाइन. Contact 0213223930, 0213223930 and 021322438889, 021322438889. Required pharmacist for a charitable hospital. Email cv@hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930, 0213223930, 021322438889, 021322438889. ये मेडिकल की जॉब्स पढ़ते वक्त और फीमेल डॉक्टर का ज़िक्र होते वक्त यकीन करें मेरी आंखों में आंसू आ गए. जब से इंडिया की ख़बर सुनी है किस तरह से उन डॉक्टर्स की जो है वो डेथ हो गई इंडिया में, कलकत्ता में, जिस तरह से उनके साथ किया गया एक हॉस्पिटल में, यकीन करें इतना अफसोस हो रहा है और इतना रोना आ रहा है उनको देख के उस लड़की को, क्योंकि मैं भी एक लड़की ही हूँ और वो तो लोगों की जान बचाती थी और उसके साथ कैसे माशरे में रह रहे हैं हम लोग, समझ में नहीं आती। बस अल्लाह हम सब लड़कियों पर रहम करे और जो है वो उनको दर्जात बुलंद करे। जो बहुत मुझे ये फ़ीमेल डॉक्टर की जॉब पढ़ते वक्त एकदम से वो जो है मेरे जहन में वो जहन से निकल ही नहीं रही हैं, जबकि वो हमारे पड़ोसी मुल्क की हैं, मगर बहुत जहन से निकल ही नहीं रही हैं। माशाल्लाह से इतनी मुझे प्यारी वो लगी उनकी तस्वीर जब से मैंने देखी है। अल्लाह हम सब लड़कियों पर रहम करें। Required male doctor, night shift with 4 to 5 years of experience, Guru Mandir, Karachi. Email cv@hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 02132239930, 02132239930, 02132243889, 02132243889. Sales marketing assistant manager, marketing a security company need marketing qualified staff having worked with private guards providing security companies office in defense phase 2. Email info.jobcollectors@gmail.com. Sales and marketing person for food related business to plan marketing and sales strategy and execution with client coordination. Transport must contact 0321243835, 0321243835 and 0321243833, 0321243833. Teachers, our team at Happy Palace Groups of School at HPGS, we value talent, professionalism and dedication. Join our prestigious institution where you'll have the opportunity to make a meaningful impact in the lives of our students. We look forward to welcoming exceptional candidates who are ready to contribute to our educational mission. We are looking for dynamic female individuals to fill the following positions: principal/vice principal, pre-primary, primary, secondary, O levels, coordinators all subjects, pre-primary, primary, secondary, O levels, teaching staff all subjects, pre-primary, primary, secondary, O levels, front desk officer female, office assistant female. If you have excellent language and IT skills along with relevant experience in your field, we want to hear from you. To apply, simply email your detailed resume PDF format to careers@hpgs.edu.pk. Alternatively, you can visit us in person from Monday to Saturday between 19th to 24th August 2024 from 9 am to 2 pm. Our HR department is located at C266, 267, 268, Block 10, Federal Bay Area, Karachi, Pakistan. Call us for information 021-3634-1394, 021-3634-1394. Note: only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for further evaluation. Urgent required experienced teachers. Urgent required experienced teachers for 9-10 classes subjects physics, chemistry, maths, biology, English. Contact Al Johar Grammar School, A for Apple 37, A38, Millat Garden, Kalabot, Malir. Contact 0300-2510643, 0300-2510643. Urgently required experienced Montessori teacher, English teacher for secondary classes, English, math and computer teacher for secondary classes, School Block B, North Nazimabad. Send your CV azim.recruitment@gmail.com. Contact 0333103890, 0333103890. Ladies/gents teacher for English, chemistry, physics, math, Urdu, computer, social studies, GSC primary and secondary classes. Visit on 19 to 20 August at 11 pm to 2 pm. St. Lawrence Grammar School, B for Box 154, Block W, and North Nazimabaad 36611630 36611630 03313507355 03313507355. Experienced teachers for level system English language 7 to 8, Maths 5, 6, Urdu 3, 4. Number 2, experienced and graduate maintenance supervisor and relationship manager candidate must have a bike. Accountant tech savvy, a BCom fresher for North Nazimabad. Visit between 9 a.m. till 2 p.m. at Street 3/B, Block F behind Fateh Park, North Nazimabad, Karachi. 02136644443 02136644443 and 36628416 36628 Email your resume at hr@falconhouseegs.com hr@falconhouseegs.com. अदर्स की जॉब है लॉ ऑफिसर, फीमेल, शुड बी BA LLB, मस्ट बी रजिस्टर्ड विथ हाई कोर्ट और डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट. Office in Defence Phase 2 area resident will be preferred. Email info.jobcollectors@gmail.com info@wingssecurity.com. Required supervisor for a hospital in Guru Mandar. 4 to 5 years of hospital administrative experience. Email cv@hopekarachi@gmo@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 02132239930 02132239930. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो.
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.